Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update DramaWave application on your mobile device. To update the DramaWave app on your device, first of all, go ahead and open up your App Store if you're using iOS and the Google Play Store if you're using Android. Go to the search icon at the bottom and then type in DramaWave in the search box. Look for the DramaWave application from Skywork AI Pte Limited and then tap on the update button if available on the screen. If you see the update button, it means that you have yet to download the latest version of DramaWave. Simply tap on that and wait for a few minutes until the update is downloaded. Once it is done, you can open up the app by tap and open, and that's how you easily update the DramaWave application on your mobile device. The latest updates of the app will come up with bug fixes and performance improvement, so it is crucial that you update your app now and then. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe for more DramaWave tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye till then.